If you think you need an engineering degree or a tech degree or your title should be project manager to qualify for PMP, then please listen very carefully. No, you don't need a tech degree to be eligible for PMP. You don't need your title to be project manager to be eligible for PMP. All these are myths. I get this question every day. Varun, I am from healthcare. I am from marketing. I am from operations. I am from HR. Do you think PMP will give value to my career? The answer to this question is yes, 100% PMP will give value to your career. It doesn't matter what your title is, what your degree is. What matters is that you are a go-getter who knows how to get the things done, and that's what project managers do. Get things done. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 4 myths people are always confused about. First is like your title myth. Title myth is, my title is not a project manager. My title is planning engineer. My title is a construction electrician, right? Trust me guys, it doesn't matter. If let's say you are planning a new marketing campaign, or if you are working on an HR project to enroll the benefits of the organization, or you are even planning a wedding, or you are an administrative professional who is managing a project on CEO's behalf, you are eligible. PMI does not care about whether your title is project manager or not. What PMI cares about is that you should have managed project. It could be any project. Second is the tech trap. Now, what is a tech trap? Tech trap is like, hey, I am from engineering. PMP is for engineers. PMP is from IT background, or from construction backgrounds. No, I have a scientist who did his PMP. I have a PhD. I have a biotechnologist. I have these people who have passed the PMP exam. If they would have thought the same thing, just like what you are thinking, then they would not be, their careers would not have been where they are right now. So stop guessing, start taking actions to improve your career, because that is what is more important than am I not, should I not. Let me tell you one thing, and that's what my retired mathematics professor dad told me, that money spent on education never goes wasted. Even if you're not eligible, you still learn something valuable. In fact, I still remember, I think a couple of years back, one of my students actually got her a 12th grade kid to attend our PMP boot camp. I mean, was that person eligible for PMP? No. When I asked, because I was very surprised, the mother told me that, Varun, like, we learn so much from the project management perspective. Entire life is project management. So I'm pretty sure, your class will give so much valuable insights that my son will be a better person, in his career. And I was like amazed to see the thought process of people. Anyways, I'm digressing from the topic. The third myth is the universal language. Now, what do I mean by that? Some people, argue and say that, hey, I have 15-20 years of experience and I don't need PMP. Yeah, you don't need PMP because you have tons of experience with yourself. But you know what? PMP is a universal language. People all across the world, they have done PMP. Maybe you have 15-20 years of experience, which is great, helping you make a good project manager. Great, you're managing projects. Well, very good. But you don't know the PMI jargons which are used all over the world. Like, for example, you may not know what progressive elaboration is or what Delphi technique is. When the person who's sitting next to you, who is a PMP certified project manager, he or she speaks about these jargons, and you, who has more experience that person, who is probably managing the projects in a better way, does not know that PMI jargons or language, then it's a problem at your end, not at the other person. Yes, you may not need PMP, but trust me, PMP is that golden entry ticket for you to know that jargon. Myth number 4, which is actually your superpower. If you're not from tech, then please don't worry. In fact, you have a hidden advantage for you. And what is that? Maybe you're a better communicator. You know how to manage the stakeholders in a better way as compared to someone who is, coding throughout his life. It doesn't really matter you are a good coder or a bad coder. What really matters, and of course with the influx of AI into the mix, what is more important is, do you know how to get the work done? If you know how to get the work done, irrespective of whether what your title is, whether you are a great coder or not, you are perfect for this role. So if you are confused whether you are eligible for the PMP exam or not, let me do this audit for you for free of cost. Send me your resume at varun.anand@eduhubspot.com. I will review it. I'll give you feedback. Trust me, I reply to each and every email I get. And stay unstoppable, never stop learning, and hit like and subscribe on this video. And I'll see you in the next video.